Hello and welcome to this fifth section of our course. Now in this section we're going to be developing a simple note sharing application. Now if you've used an application like OneNote, in this application, in this section we'll try and develop something similar to that but then simpler. Now this is going to be a simple cool note sharing application. It won't be as powerful as OneNote, but then simple enough that you can use it for your personal use and even share it with your friends and family. In this video, we'll look at just understanding the application. Let's get ready to go. In this particular video, we want to look at what the application will include. We'll set our objectives and we'll look at some of the features that we need to be within our application. Guys, I can't tell you how excited I am because this is where the fun begins. So what is our objective? We want to develop a simple note-taking application that will allow you to take your notes and save them on the cloud. Now, bear in mind, this is your own cloud. So we're going to be developing a cloud in the process. Something that will save all your notes and you can always get your notes from that particular cloud. So this application should be able to and will be able to at the end of this course or section actually manage new user accounts, sign up new users and sign new users, create new notes, edit notes, delete notes, and save notes. Now, what I mean by manage accounts is every user will have a simple account that their application will manage and sign into the service so that they can create new notes and manage notes. Users' notes will be managed under the user's particular account so that a person will not be able to see another person's notes. Sounds good enough? Great.